Welcome to our channel. In today's video we'll show you how to use ChatGPT and Pictory to make $200 per day by creating unlimited YouTube videos. Let's get started. We start by using ChatGPT to write the script we're going to need. I asked ChatGPT to write a script on how to lose belly fat for women in their 40s. ChatGPT is going to write the script for us so we can use it in Pictory. I'm going to take you through a step-by-step tutorial so that you can learn how to use the software. What is Pictory? Pictory is an online video editing tool that allows you to create high-quality videos quickly and easy. Pictory is ideal for anyone who is a content creator, including digital marketers, affiliate marketers, and bloggers. It is also best for anyone looking to get more out of video-based content that doesn't take long and isn't difficult or complex to edit. Pictory AI is one of my top choice to making videos, and it's unquestionably one of the best AI video creators available online. Let's start with the Pictory summary. By the time we're done, even if you've never used video editing software before, you'll be able to make stunning videos. You can try Pictory for free using my link in the description and follow along. Let's begin by looking at the Pictory tools and features. When you log in Pictory, they have helpful guides with videos that show you how to do everything that you need to do, which is extremely helpful. And here are some examples of content that can be repurposed into shorts videos. Script to video, article to video, edit videos using text and visual to video. For the purpose of this video, we will use script to video. Script to video is recommended for educational and coaching videos, listicle videos, and step-by-step guides. Click on Proceed button. Under Script Editor we do Scene Settings. The default is set to auto-highlight keywords, auto-visual selection, and create new scenes on both. I am choosing to not change anything. In the Script Editor, enter the title of your video. Then start typing or paste your script. I'm going to copy and paste in here the script ChatGPT generated. Pictory will check for misspelling. Then click the Proceed button. Choose Template. Template is a combination of style and branding. Pictory AI has many templates to choose from. You can create personal branded templates by editing any of the library templates. I want to use the red template ink. Then choose the type of video we want to make based on the aspect ratio. I will use a 16:9 ratio because I want to make a YouTube video. Pictory Video Editor. Let's examine the Pictory Editor. All the various components are located on the video creator's left side. If we click on Visuals, we can view all the stock media clips they have added and search for our own photos or videos. Under Elements are stickers, GIFs, and emojis. Then we can add audio. There are many audio tracks available that we can select from and preview. We can also add voiceovers and text-to-speech voiceovers. Several different English voiceover versions are available, including American, British, Australian, and Indian English. Let's look at the storyboard page. A few additional actions are available on the storyboard page. This is divided into several scenes, each with its subtitles. The video's visuals can then be edited if you want to add something to it in addition to the video. If you want to add some background music or your voiceover, you can edit the audio in the video. When you're satisfied with how your video appears, you can preview or download it. Pictory allows you to personalize and alter the tone of your videos, making them more focused and less generic. How to make $200 per day. You notice the example video I made was about weight loss. Videos in the weight loss niche earn between minimum of $10 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. Since you've seen how easy it is to create content with Pictory, you should have no problem releasing 3 videos per week, if not more. Earning $200 per day with a minimum of $10 CPM is not hard. Are you ready to start making multiple videos a day using Pictory? Comment down below. Overall, Pictory AI is a great tool for beginners who want to create high-quality videos to promote their products or services. By using Pictory AI in combination with ChatGPT to generate content ideas, you can create a powerful content that can help you make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to get notifications of when we post.